What's up everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. EMT here, and in this video, we're exploring a brand new, faster method of transferring videos and photos from your Insta360 One R into your smartphone using this little guy. This is the Insta360 Quick Reader, and I want to tell you all about it. Let's go. Alright, so Insta360 sent us this brand new quick reader accessory for the Insta360 One R a while ago, and I've been using it non-stop every single time I use the Insta360 One R camera. The Insta360 Quick Reader will set you back $59 US. Make sure you check the link in the description because Insta360 is notorious for having crazy last-minute sales. They just had one for New Year, so give it a go. Make sure you check the link in the description. Now, in my honest opinion, the Insta360 Quick Reader is a must. If you are contemplating in getting this camera or already have one, do yourself a favor and get the brand new Quick Reader. You can always transfer videos and photos from your Insta360 camera to the Insta360 app using Wi-Fi. The only challenge that I have personally encountered with that is that whenever I'm filming volume or in professional mode or 360, those files are chunky. So I did a little quick test trying to transfer a video from the camera into the app using the Wi-Fi connection. And it was all right, but when I used the brand new Insta360 Quick Reader, the whole thing flew through the transfer, and I don't ever want to not have this in my bag or in my pocket. Now, the Insta360 Quick Reader has a USB-C port that goes directly into the Insta360 One R. There we go. And if you're out and about this way, you can actually record directly into the SD card that is inside the Quick Reader. By opening the little rubber cover, you can see that there is a lightning connector for your iOS device, as well as an SD card slot. So while the Quick Reader is connected to your Insta360 One R, all the videos are recording to the SD card inside the reader. And this is a fantastic option if you're recording for a long period of time and you need to swap out SD cards and things like that. It's a lot easier to just simply pop this little door open, swap out the SD card from the bottom, put another one, and get back to action. It is way faster, and it will save you precious battery that the camera will consume while it's wirelessly transferring your data into your smartphone. So you can actually be able to record longer because of this accessory. And then on top of that, you could use this reader on your computer. If you have a USB-C port, you can just simply plug this thing in and it reads like a USB drive, like an external hard drive. And it just makes life a lot easier. I wish I had this thing from the very beginning. And I know for a fact that you will never see me out and about filming with the Insta360 One R without the reader. It's game-changing, to be honest with you. There are a couple things to consider, like water resistance. Of course, if you're using this reader, your camera is not going to be 100% waterproof. But if you're not doing any water stuff, this is definitely going to impact the speed of your data transfers, as well as the battery that you'll be able to leverage throughout your shooting day. Other things to consider is that if you accidentally remove the reader while you're filming, your video is not going to be saved. So definitely keep that in mind. If you have an SD card inside the camera and then another SD card connected to the reader will be the priority. So files will not be saved to the SD card that's inside your Insta360 One R, and devices that don't support exFAT or exFAT won't be able to use and read the files on the reader and the SD card that's inside the reader. So definitely keep that in mind. Make sure that the device that you're using to transfer supports that file system, which is kind of weird that there are devices that don't support that specific formatting, because that's kind of like a very popular one that allows you to save things on multiple operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and so and so. But keep that in mind if you have a smartphone that does not support exFAT, that you might not be able to use this accessory. And that's it. straight to the point, really quick and easy. I always have a blast filming with the Insta360 One R, as well as the other Insta360 cameras like the GO 2. That is actually my favorite camera. If you haven't seen my video talking about it, check it out in the description as well as the annotation. But now that I have this reader, this fantastic accessory, I've been able to reclaim a lot more time and enjoy what I'm doing. So if that was originally a pain point when you were transferring data wirelessly, definitely the Insta360 Quick Reader is going to make a huge impact in your workflow. But I want to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them down there so we can continue to create relevant content for you. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing down below. And as always, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. Stay safe and I'll catch you on the next one.